All right, YouTube, welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. I am your host, Resident Day Trader, and your brother in the struggle. The name is Hassan, and we're live. It is Friday, May 24th, and it's kind of quiet out here in pre-market. I know we have a long weekend coming up, and I think the big pullback in the market yesterday kind of took the steam out of everything. But, hey man, the market's open, so we're here, you know. I got a few things that I think are interesting this morning. I like PDD. Not almost anything, almost nothing is above yesterday's high, and that's really my favorite kind of setup to have pre-market. FSLR though is one that's above yesterday's high. Olu, good morning, man. GE, I know I've really been trying to focus on catalysts lately. I was looking at the heat map and I noticed GE was green, and it is also near yesterday's high. Morning 3 pony, and yeah, I don't know. I just thought GE might be interesting to watch today. And yeah, man, that's the plan, bro. Just chilling out. Might not be any trades today. Just gonna be patient, man, and see what pops up. Mirrors. I think they got an upgrade, so that's why I have Mirrors on here. Not doing a ton of volume, but we'll see. PDD just made a new high in pre-market. Yesterday's high was 160 and currently trading at 159.20. So I think PDD could be really interesting today. Dell is still got a ways to go to get over yesterday's high, honestly. So I don't know what to really expect for Dell. I kind of got Apple and AMD on my back burner, but Apple's kind of one. I don't know. I got mixed feelings about Apple. Sometimes I like Apple, but most of the time I don't really like Apple. So we'll see. SPY had a pullback, pretty big pullback yesterday, but it really just pulled back to the previous highs. So it's not like the worst thing in the world. It basically just pulled back to these tops over here, and then it bounced pretty good, and it's back up to testing 528 right now in pre-market after coming down here to the 525 area. So I don't know. We'll see what happens, man. Got 10 seconds till market open. Just gonna try to trade discipline and go into the weekend knowing that I didn't do anything stupid today. That's what I want.
Hot damn hole, here we go again. Now.
Alright, here we go. Alright. Look at GE popping up. That looks good right there. Might have to take that over 160. Look at that, man. PDD. Don't go too far, man. Slow down. Dang, look at this nice setup. This that 3-bar play right here, Olu. Right out of pre-market. Alright. looks really strong. FSLR looks really strong. Man, MRUS looks good too, man. That's actually a good candidate for opening range breakout. Yep. Wasn't even paying attention. Dang, man. I would have definitely taken that. Right over 53, man. Oh, yeah. Definitely could have taken that. Right over 53, 75-cent stop loss. That thing would have been gravy. Already at 54.20. PDD looking good. Man. Sometimes I really want to try to find a way to be aggressive right off of the open, man. But it can be very risky. Look at that big red candle. Alright, I'm trying GE right here. Man, I want MRUS too. And FSLR. That thing ain't coming back, man. That thing ain't coming back. Yeah, he had to take that one right off the opening range, man. It's all good. We'll see. I definitely could have picked one with a little more energy, a little more volume. What's up, Ben? What you looking at, man? Is there some more excitement in the small cap world? It's feeling kind of dull over here. Man, PDD's looking good too. This ain't a bad setup either. Not get too carried away. How we looking, GE? Level 2. Oh, yeah, that's right. You doing level 2 today, huh? Yeah, I know 3 Pony. I know. Still got to get in here and try to find something. of TIRX. Huh. Okay. And so you're not looking at charts, Ben? You're just looking at level 2? Or are you using both? Look at that big old top and tail. $1.50. Whoa. Wanted to long by bigger stop than that. About 20 cents higher than I wanted to be on that one. $66. I gotta give it to 66. Just level 2. I am very curious to see how that experience is for you. Man, I really wanted my stop to be down here. What is that? 42. Let's go 39, 38. Uh-oh, GE looking kind of rough over there. Man, I wish I would have taken that MRUS opening range breakout. This is it right here, man. Narrow range opener right there at VWAP. That's the one. That thing is super close to my stop. Dang. It's looking pretty shady. Yeah. I had to use 85% rule on this one, man. Not gonna do me like that. Man. There we go, PDD. Dang. I was just about to jump in this bad boy. 264.12. Dang, man. Missed that one. Hey, we in there on PDD, though. Yes, sir. Had to get in on that 84% rule right here on PDD. Dang, man. Up 3R already. Bruh, is this thing about to come all the way back down after that? GE had no catalyst either. I had no business watching that stupid stock. Stupid stock. Only one in the world trading GE today. Man, I'm a little sad I missed FSLR though. I was seconds away from hopping in that puppy. Come on, PDD. Man, look at the market though. It's looking sketchy with this market dipping like that. The market is dipping hard right now. Y'all see that? Look at that. Come on, PDD. Come on, back over 163. There you go. Alright, stop loss to break even. We earned that. Morning, Joe Dub. What's going on? Bruh, I want this FSLR trade. I wish it came back down just a little bit more. I was really trying to jump in right here, man, but I was just a few seconds too late. Come on, PDD. The market is really not aligning with me right now. Got me a little worried. But FSLR, man. $267.03. There you go. I like that better. PDD. Let's go. Come on. Pop through that. Don't say that, Joe. Come on, baby. There it is. Build off of that. Yeah, I got Apple and AMD on my mental back burner. Ooh, look at Dell. Dang. I don't know if these top and tails right there, though, are conducive to a move up. Why no profit taking at 3R? I know we're at 4R right now. Because I lost 7 on my first entry, and now I'm being greedy. What's up, Brick? You show right though, PDD. I mean, Joe. PDD got a lot of energy in it though, so I'm just trying to man, living a little recklessly right now. All right, here's FSLR. I bet you I'm taking that. Come on, man, just chill out for 1 minute. 225. 2 shares. Man, FSLR is a mover. Dang, man, I think I might have messed up on PDD. Come on, slow down. Slow down. You got 15 seconds. Man, yeah, it's in there right now. Dang. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this candle here, man. Bruh. Yeah, I messed up, bro. I had 4R on the table and just sat there and looked at it. Ain't supposed to do that. Ain't supposed to do that, man. That's gonna be regrettable for sure. Stops at break even, but I definitely should have took out 3R or at least sold some. Yeah, I don't like that 5 or the 15-minute candle right there either. That's pretty terrible, actually. Come on, you got to hold 162, man. Yeah, I missed my take profit, man. Holding for a bigger move. Holding for a bigger move and not locking in. Man, I have 4R on this thing, man. Over 4R. So I'm not gonna make that same mistake on round 2 if it goes back up. But and I guess I can probably cancel my FSLR order. Dang, man, that was stupid. I have such a hard time taking profits, man. I know, bro. I have such a hard time with that. When I really believe it's got room to run, I just... What's up, Signature? It's going all right, man. I got 2 bad trades already. Well, I'm not mad about my PDD trade. I just got stopped out, but I jumped back in on the 84% rule. And, whoa, Meta's looking real scary, though. 264.15. All right, went ahead and tried SLR, man. Oh, look at PDD. Come on now. Come on now. $161.68. Come on, we almost there. There we go. Come on. Come on now. Come on. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. All right. Holding 3 shares. Nah, I took it, bro. I took it. I took it. I took it, bro. I took 70% right there. Holding 3 shares to see what's popping. I know, right? Let's count it up. Market is on the move. What's up, FSLR? This what we doing? This what we doing? We're not moving back up. Yeah, it's like 10 seconds. Yeah, this could be that thing that I do where I play the backside of the move, man. Oh man, look at Dale. Bruh, I was watching Dale, but these top tails right here, it just looked like it had too much going on up there, man. When I saw these two, I was gonna watch VWAP, but dang, man, look at that. Good Lord. Wow, the market spiked up huge. Come on, FSLR, you don't want none of that? You don't want none of that action? Bruh. Everybody moving up but you. There you go. There you go. Boy, it should have been nice being, man. I was so close to taking this one right here, man. I wanted to take this 2-minute opening range breakout, but wasn't ready. Oh man, brick. FSLR got me worried over here. This 15-minute candle is kind of sketch. There you go. Man, somebody got 2,300 shares. Did you? I don't know, man. It's looking real sketchy right now. The market moving up and this thing just sitting there. I don't like that. I really wanted it back here. My stop would have been way down here, nice and comfy like. Small winner, nice. Nice. What, the level 2? So you're just playing off like big groups of shares, share walls, and breaks through level 2 resistance, I guess. I mean, bro, your strategy was great. Like, it's not broken. Don't fix it. Right? Wasn't it going great, Ben? FSLR, this is what we doing. This is what we doing. 262.56. Dang, man. Yeah, backside of the move. On third green day up. Catching bounces, just having a fun Friday. That's cool. Come on, FSLR. We could be so great together right now. We could be so great. INTU. Man, my eyes are glued right now. Well, even though FSLR is looking sketch, we got PDD pumping. PDD is pumping. Okay, we got another hammer candle. Back through 264. Okay, is it time? Asking way too much. There we go. I don't know what kind of move I'm expecting out of FSLR to justify this position, but I guess a big one. There we go. Here we go. I'm having fun this Friday. Ben's having fun. Signature, you having fun, bro? Let's check out this INTU now that I'm not sweating anymore. Okay, came down near the 200 EMA and previous low over here. What's this? 598.01. 600, so kind of a higher low. 613, 607.52. I don't know, man. This thing look kind of bullish. Oh, you got in FSLR too? Again? Great fun. PDD, you done? You done, dog? It's over? I think PDD got at least 168 in it. All right, that's the pop we needed to see. I mean, maybe you buy dips like right in front of large orders. I don't know. I really don't have any sort of level 2 trading strategy at all. I was just kind of throwing that out there. All right, FSLR new high of day. SMFL. What is that? Oh, wow. Smart for life. That's funny. Bruh, MRUS, man. I was literally... This play I've seen work so well. Where the first candle, the first opening candle is a normal, regular size candle. And right there hovers that VWAP, green candle. And you just buy the break and put your stop under the low, man. And that thing just goes, man. It's the big crazy opens that are really hard to predict. But when it opens like that, bruh, I see it so often. That hasn't been working. Oh, is that what you were trading, Ben? SMFL? Alright, I think if this makes a new high, I'll probably raise my stop up under this level here. I know, man. FSLR is looking good. Nice volume right here. If we keep going over the top of that, 270 incoming. 264, 84, 272, 34. What's up, Jonathan? Oh, okay. Okay. It's been kind of a slow... Well, I guess it depends. Some things are going crazy like Dell. Man, what a one to miss on Dell. These top tails weren't that scary. I guess they kind of are. This one's on some pretty decent volume right here, but it did not care about those, man. Dang, this would have been such a sweet entry right here. Dang. I probably would have tried this one right here and got stopped out because I would have entered on this candle and got stopped out. And then would have probably needed to jump right back in for real. Unusual whales. Is that like a low float type thing where you got massive buyers and sellers? ROST. Huh. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Huh. I'm interested. Oh, that's Unusual Wells. What's up, Jack? You got more than me. I got 2 on FSLR. You a whale over there to me. Yeah, this is interesting. Um, I don't know about this though. Seem like we got some sellers at 144, but it still keeps making higher lows though. I yeah, I don't know, man. I think this might be a nice little candle to buy the top of. It is definitely uptrending. 50 cent. 10 shares over 43.30. You would have to assume that it's going to have a crazy day, though, because it's really just moved its normal range. Yeah. It's got a nice setup on the 5 and the 2, man. It really hasn't. Doesn't really move that much normally. It's already moved $5 today. Nah. FSLR looking good. Come on, PDD. I know you got a little life in you left. Bruh, Dale was the miss of the day. Nah, Dale and MRUS, man. Look at Dale, bro. Is nobody in Dale? I had it up too, man. Had it up. Sheesh. Hey, you guys, don't forget to hit that like button for me. PDD is coming back down. This low over here is 161.95. If we could hold VWAP and that low, must have a new high. I'm saying, man, it must. What is that? Come on, PDD. Make that nice bounce right there, man. Make that nice bounce. Might have to add 2 shares on top of you. Appreciate you, Brick. Okay, I don't know about PDD, man. Look like my little leg is about to stop out at break even, maybe. Maybe not. Maybe not. I kind of want to add 2 shares right here for real. Come on, FSLR. Me and Signature trying to go into the weekend with the bankroll. AMD at 159. I know, man. Let me see what you got going on here. You mean 169? Oh, down here? Yeah, if you did that down here. Whoa, look at AMD, man. I thought I was watching AMD on the back burner. What happened? Hey, bruh. You feel me? You feel me? Yeah, it's going real nice right now, man. It's going real nice right now. Actually, I've been green. I think I've been green every day this week, man. I think this might be day 5, bro. Cardio training. I think this might be day 5, man. Look at GE. I saw that double bottom bounce, too. Come on, PDD. I really do want to add 2 shares over this candle right here. Just to make that possible run back up a little more exciting. If I added 2 shares right there, that would put my stop. I don't want to put risk back on it though. Yeah, it's day 5, man. Oh man, really? Man, Brick, that would have been, if you could have caught AMD down there on the dip, man. Yeah, the AMD went crazy today. Oh, really? 163? Oh, you taking the breakout from the top, huh? You put AM. Wow. What you mean 163? Oh, you on a pullback. That's a lot of pulling back, man. That thing's at 165.70. Dang, is that all we gonna get out of FSLR, man? I am not trying to lose an R on this thing. Come on, PDD. Low is 161.95. Oh, PDD, you got to buy stop. I got you. Man, I hope it gets back up there. Man, that's a dangerous game there, Joe. That pre-market, bro. That's no safety net, man. Out there in the sauce. Man, PDD's looking sketchy, man. Where's the buyers at? What are they waiting for? Are they waiting for the sellers to come in and take this thing out? There we go. Come on. Yeah, let's get up there to the money. Get up there to the money. Oh, you quit it? Oh, man. Oh, okay. That might be all you need, signature. I sure wish FSLR stopped playing around. At least it's pulling VWAP up with it. I'm gonna have to move my stop up here in a minute. 264.84. VWAP's at 263.73. All right, this is it right here. Come on, make that new high. Back over 267, and everything will be fine. Yeah, this looking like a short setup right here. It's looking like a short setup, man. Man, see, I thought GE had good potential on the time frames today. It's always sucky when you lose on something and then it turns around. I don't know. This could just be the range for the day, though. Yeah, you might have been good to cancel that signature. Okay, I don't know. We'll see. If you don't get it, I'll get it for you. All right, PDD. Bruh, Dale is going crazy. I need another high. I need another high on PDD here to feel convinced that it's not about to turn around right here and downtrend. Is this our moment, FSLR? Okay. Come on, baby. Trying to have a fun Friday. Man, I was just... Man. Yeah, this is what I was afraid of on PDD. Bruh, I had Dell. I got Dell up right over here, bro. I'm so devastated that I didn't trade it, man. I'm so devastated. Bruh. The reason that I kind of casted a blind eye to it, because this is what it looked like when I pulled it up. Big topping tail here, and then two more topping tails there. I was like, well, but I mean, if you look if the VWAP is moving up aggressively, man. But I was just, I've been really trying to pay attention to my disqualifiers on my rules right here, and then this other one popped up. It's just like, yeah, man, it's a lot of resistance over there. But look at VWAP steady moving up, man. Steady moving up, but these these top tails keep popping up, man. And yeah, man. Dale said, "What topping tails?" Bruh, that's the worst, Brick. That's how I'm feeling about GE right now, man. I lost the R on GE, and now look at it. I should have bought it right back where I entered the first time. Oh, man. I didn't see that headline. I was just rolling on Dale because I knew it had news a couple days ago. Yeah, I think, bruh. All right, FSLR still kind of up in the air on PDD if this is the beginning of a downtrend or not. Yeah, that's crazy. Did that news just come out? HH? Yeah, I'm sad. I'm sad. Dang, bro. That was me, Joe. Like, this week is magical for me right now because, bruh, I've been throwing it out the window. That's why I had to drop my risk, bro, because it was like, I can't keep doing this, man. I was, bruh, risking 25 a trade and losing 4R a day over and over again. Bruh, I was about to get a call from my broker like, hey, bruh. Yeah, man. I hate to hear that, Joe, but you know, this kind of the part of the things you got to go through, man. You know, it's gonna be down days for sure, but all right, Brad. Nice, man. Hey, man, Friday's a good day. Some of us. My bad, Joe. I'm here with you, man. You sold FSL. I didn't know you bought it. You left your oh, that's right. I'm thinking PDD. I'm thinking PDD. Yeah, I can see why you would want to sell it. I probably should raise my stop up. What is this? 268.75, 268.50. What we looking like on the lowers? Yeah, it might be ready for a pullback. It really ain't went nowhere though. It's kind of been consolidating, like winding upwards. Oh man, yeah, I remember that, Brad. All right, signature man, enjoy your breakfast and enjoy them FSLR winnings. You too, bro. AMC back in play, huh? Looking choppy. GME, man, what a roller coaster. Bro, look at GE, man. That makes me sad. I should have bought this right here. Why you do me like that, GE? I jumped the gun. I jumped the gun with this little opening pattern right here. That's what I did. I should have waited for a nice pullback. I've been getting a little antsy on the open trying to catch these movers before they move. I think the only opening trade I want to take like that is that 2-minute opening range breakout when it looks like that. Other than that, I don't think I want to mess with these type of setups right here. Yeah. Come on, PDD. What are we doing, man? $161.95. I might as well move it up to there. All right, PDD. Huh. That's what's up. I used to love that 1 minute chart. I've been thinking about that too, HH, because sometimes I feel like the catalyst is so strong that you kind of gotta override. Sometimes I'll be wanting to override some of my disqualifiers, like when they're not super significant, like on Dell, like them top and tails. They weren't crazy. Well, yeah, they did look crazy at the beginning though. It looked like a choppy mess, honestly. Like this, I didn't like this at all. This looked like a choppy mess. That joint smoothed right on. This don't look bad right there like that though. Stopped out on PDD, but it's all good because we were already green and already took profit. So now, just trying to get FSLR home to secure that green day. $264.84, which I kind of think we could go ahead and move the stop up at this point. Because it does look like it's done here. If it comes back down. Yeah, you right. You right. This thing hasn't really sold through VWAP this whole morning, so I think I'm gonna keep my stop a little tight to that. We'll do that. I like that, bro. That makes a lot of sense. Cause like zoomed out, man, the Dell setup looks like so obvious. So obvious. Like if you didn't buy right here, you gotta buy right here. Look at that narrow range entry too, man. That would have been crazy. I would have been sold out. Took profit right here. Hopefully left a little leg. Yeah. You know I love large caps. Come on, FSLR. Let's make this day super green. Bruh. Look how GE did me, though. GE did me dirty. Dirty. I tell you what, though. Let that thing come back down here. Let that thing come back down here to 166. 166.39-ish. I'm telling you, Brick, they did me dirty. Bruh. Could have done that at the open and we would have been straight. Alright. FSLR takes 68. I'm moving my stop up to 265.47. I'm telling you, bro, that's all I've been doing. Don't need much. Bro, I can't wait till I'm trading 1,000 shares on these bad boys, man. Catching $4 or $5 moves. Bro, look. Bro, look. Let me stack up 3 or 4 weeks like this week. Nvidia. I see what you cooking with right there, bro. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, that's how I feel, Joe. That's how I feel. It's almost like I needed a break, though. Like, lowering the risk has really given me a mental break and made it less about the money. This looks really interesting. Decroy? I like that. I would like to see if it breaks up and gives a higher low on top of that line. Need at least 100 trade. Yeah. Bro, I was having some nice days on $25 risk, man. This is very tempting right here, man. It's still below the opening range for me, though. I think I need to see price build up a little bit more. Yeah. Nah, I don't short at all. I used to long small caps. But nah, I don't like that world, man. The offerings and the rug pulls and all of that, the pumping and dumping. I didn't like it, man. I definitely understand the yeah, I need it to be above this opening range, though. I gotta let it prove itself. It's kind of late in the day for me too, actually, to be jumping into new positions. I'm telling you, Joe. Huh. Yeah, it looked good, though. It definitely broke out of that wedge. I think might bump his head up here again. 147 area. Hey, man, you put some money in the bank, Brick. Hey, bruh. I mean, you're not gonna catch every move. You got in at 159, sold at 164. Hey, bruh, you caught a $5 move. That's great, man. Got to the bag, bruh. Got to the bag. We got to remember we're never going to get 100% of a move. So we have to try to find contentment and joy in just getting a good slice of the pie, you know. And I be mad when I sell early or miss out on a big move all the time. So I'm not saying I don't understand. I'm just trying to you know, show insight on how we can feel better about these things. Excuse me. Bruh, I want to get back in GE right now. I feel like this is a revenge trade, though. But this is pretty much the level that I wanted to see it come to. It's kind of far away from it, honestly. I do want to take it. I feel like that would be wild to take that right there. But look at the level, man. Previous high 166.27. Bruh. I ain't gonna do it. It's too late. I missed it. It's okay. It'll be alright. Let's just ride this FSLR, baby. 68.50, 68.75. Come on, FSLR. Yeah, that's it, man. That's it. As we get better, the pieces of the pie we catch are gonna be bigger, and the amount we make on that slice will be bigger as well. So that was a win. That was a great trade, bro. That was a great trade. You banked on it. You took it off the table, which is super hard to do for some people. Like, bro, I struggle with taking my win off the table. I almost jacked up on PDD, man. Right here, I was up 4R and didn't sell. And I just was blessed that it came back up, and I was not too bullheaded to still keep my target where it was, and went ahead and took at the previous high, because that was all it gave. It didn't go up much more than that. So, yeah, they got the double edge, Joe Dub. They cheating. See, man, I wanted this GE play. I just didn't want to risk my green day. I called it, man. I wanted it to pull back to this area. It's all good though, man. This is a huge move up to just. But the daily, man, is like, this thing could really go from here. Yeah, that was the moment. If you missed it, We'll see though. We'll see how it plays out. Us normal folk. Alright, I'm moving my stop up on FSLR. Right under 265.50. Let's go. Bruh. Sometimes I hate being cautious, man. Sometimes you just gotta, like, attack. Man. Scared money don't make no money. Scared money don't make no money. That's pretty close to 2R right there, too. It's all good. It's not like we're getting rich in here today. FSLR, come on. Low 267. What's 1R? 250. 267.34. Dang, was that it? 270 was just too much. Really? Why didn't you tell me, bruh? There's the Discord link. If anybody who wants to join up. That's a nasty red candle on big volume right there on FSLR. For sure. It's right in my 2R too. I mean 1R. I got a mind to move my stop up under there. Only one. $10, 264.84. What's the catalyst? You know the catalyst off the top of your head, HH on FSLR? I guess I can look that up. FSLR. First Solar. Executive sells 1 million in stock. I don't think that's a good thing, is it? May 23rd receives investment bank analyst rating update. Why don't they just put the update in the description? Why I gotta read the whole article? Alright, I got my stop up pretty tight on FSLR. I'm losing faith with this big red candle that just came in and this little inside candle here. So either it goes or it don't. I don't see any information. Alright, let me go to NASDAQ. Oh, okay. Just a fidget spinner, bro. First Solar. I don't know. Hey, we looking pretty good over here now. Ain't the greatest, especially with Dale squatting on the market. Oh man, is that it? That was it? Come on, man. Don't be like that. Dang, that was the moment for Nvidia then. That little wedge break. Okay. Now we're above the opening range. VWAP is oh so far away. Yeah, man. Who was that? You still in here? D. Croy, did you take Nvidia? Man, that was a great time to enter, man, when you called it, bro. That was very nice. Gave a little retest right there and everything. This is where I'll be like, I want to get back to my gunslinger ways. Sometimes you gotta do it, bro. Come on, FSLR. That ain't nothing. Still looking good on the 5 and the 15. Roland? What is that, a gunslinger? Man, we got some resistance at 270, man. They need to chill out. Oh. Oh no. Alright, now we looking better. You don't think it's gassed out, Dale? Yesterday's high was 162.71. Way past that. Not really. That's a nice little level right there. All right, we made it back over 270. Come on. Come on. 270.99 is high of day. I hear you. It's looking good on the 15 too. Missed AMD. Alright, now NVIDIA is kind of speaking my language. Bouncing off of that opening range that I like. Sheesh. Thing is gone. Probably had to get that on the one. Yep, I had to get that right there. This really was a great entry too. This was a really nice entry right here. It still ain't bad. 250 stop. Could get 2 shares right there over 48.88. Man, it's up a lot though. Man, I forgot all about Meta. Wow. Man, did you get in Meta, Olu? Olu. All right, I waited for the most confirmation, which has me buying at the top of the range. I think if we can get through 1050, we got a nice little run we can make on this thing. Pre-market high is 52.79, 52.92. Strengthen the market. Wow. You sure right. You taking Dell, HH? Wow. Meta sell-off imminent, huh? I know you done took some profit on this thing, Olu. Ain't no way. Ain't no way you ain't took some profit. A lot of profit. Yeah, I'd like to see that 15-minute candle close green on Dell at VWAP, really. That 5, though, I don't know, man. It looks pretty nice, especially breaking over this candle. Back over 165. That's a high bet, though. 164.50 wouldn't be bad either. I don't know. Be right back, y'all. I gotta use the restroom. Watch my stuff. All right. Definitely like to see Nvidia hold 1048. FSLR still taking its sweet time. Yep, Dell's still pulling back. Market still moving up. It's a nice range. FSLR is kind of fading out. Let's see. Anyone have any more about pivot point analysis? No, I sometimes I kind of I keep the Fibonacci in mind as far as pullbacks. Like a good 50% retracement is nice. A little less than that, 40% is cool. But I really like to see it pull back to a previous top, to some sort of support. If it pulls back too deep, then it's like, what took the buyer so long to step in? That's kind of where I'm at with it. I'm just kind of thinking mental checkpoints. But I like to see the price build on itself. So when it pulls back, I want it to pull back to a previous high or some sort of support level. Yeah, see, I think the break of this one's going to be nice, bruh. That 15-minute color change candle. Where's my VWAP on here? Yeah, no problem, Brick. Oh, NVIDIA. My reckless trade is proving reckless. It's proving to be reckless. Meanwhile, the SPY is going straight up and my positions are pulling back. There goes Dale. There goes Dale. I'm definitely not jumping in Dale. I already got this reckless trade on NVIDIA. $147.28 is the high there. 146.08. Okay. That's plenty long enough of a pullback, yo. I think we can turn around now. It's not too late. I definitely shouldn't have taken this trade. Ben, where's Ben? I'm telling you, Joe. Having too much fun out here. Should have just been bagging FSLR up there at 2R and walking. Dang. Yup. Did it again, Joe. I knew I was buying it way up too. Yeah, Dale's just kind of floating up there to me, man. I don't see it. Right, I got you. What a foolish trade on Nvidia. That is a regrettable trade for the day. Unnecessary. All right, FSLR. Got a lot of pressure riding on you now. Now you really got to perform. You got to clean this day up. Green Day's in the bag. It's just going to be a little baby one, though. Yeah. But that's not really because of the stock. I dragged my... I kind of got a poor entry. And I needed to drag my stop down a little further than 1R. So that's just my fault, really. Now this is the entry I should have waited for if I was going to try to play off of this level. A real retest. But let's go. Yeah, I after I put my stop in, that was the correct size for my position size. I dragged my stop down lower to get underneath this candle right here. And that was just an error of mine due to I just didn't position size properly. I shouldn't have took it at all. If we're being honest. Man, FSLR is sure is struggling. All right, Brick. All right, man. Have a good weekend, bro. I know, man. I was tripping yesterday. I actually took a little quiet trade on Nvidia at the end of the day, right before the close. Um, I wish it showed previous day executions on here. Oh, it does. Right here. Yep, I took this trade on Nvidia right before the close yesterday. Little entry right there. How many shares? I only had one share, and I put my stop under here, so I was only risking like $2 on it. But yeah, I sold it right there. Made some nice bread on that. I know, right? Yeah, yesterday was wild with that one. Yeah, I like this higher high, possibly higher low right here for sure. It's kind of created its level right here at this previous test. You about to take it? 60-cent stop on that entry. Nah, dog. I'm chilling. See, this was the level. This is how I should have approached this level right here. Let it trade above and then really come back and retest this level. That's how I should have played it. Then I could have took an entry right here. Man, now it's about to go. Don't do it. Don't do it. We got FSLR. That's all we need, man. Hopefully FSLR breaks out and I can raise my stop up to 2R. 2R on FSLR is $5. 269.84. Right under that candle. Bruh, I should have been way more patient on Nvidia. This is such a better reckless trade. Yeah, Dale got the catalyst, man. Yeah, I don't like Dell, man. It was taking so long for people to buy that thing back up. It is Friday though, right? Everything's slow. FSLR over 272. Come on, baby. Move my stop up close to 2R. Shooting for the moon now. It's got wheels. Bruh. Why did I get so antsy with Nvidia and buy that when if I wanted the level, this is how you buy the level. 5 minute 2. To the long side though. Yeah, it's that level I like too. It's just below VWAP. Let's go. 273. Look at that. Look at that. Yo, we cooking over here, man. We cooking over here. That's what you wanted to see from Dell, huh? Stop underneath this last 5 minute candle. 83. A little aggressive, but I don't want to give none of that back. What's this low? It would go under the whole dollar. BE. Wow. Sheesh. Dang, bro. Why FSLR can't just get to the going? Get to the going. There you go. Go on up there, man. Go on up there. There's 3R I'm looking at. BE Catalyst is trash. Come on, man. There we go. Let's stay over there. Let's stay over 273. Oh, look at that. Come on, let's take 274. Hive days 273.86. Come on now. Spy's doing good. That ain't a bad spot right there on Dell, man. It's kind of been showing that to be a level for a little bit. If you're feeling froggy. Right over 164 with a 75-cent stop. Just calculating. Like 6 shares. Yeah, it's already triggered for real. FSLR over 274. Come on, baby. $274.20 high of day. Oh, wait, look at that. Come on, baby. Almost there. Ah, don't do me like that. Bump stop to 3R. Yeah, you ain't lying. Higher, higher. Come on, baby. So close. Oh man, 2 cents from my take profit too. 2 cents. I had it at 74 at first, and then I was like, let me just go on and get the full 4R. Come on, baby. Ooh, it's so close. So close. Come on. Come on. Bruh. There's 80. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, what's up, Richard? Right on time, brother. Hey, it's payday. Over here excited about $20. Yeah. Boy, look at GE, man. I started to buy it right here too and got scared. I should have bought that instead of this stupid Nvidia trade right here. Dang. Let's go, man. Dang, I had a whole green week. Can you believe that? Man. It would be the week that I dropped my risk down to $5 a trade. Yep, both of them. This GE, I was jumping the gun, trying to get in before a real setup formed. Like, if I don't get in on if it ain't a good 2-minute opening range, then I just shouldn't be getting in. So if I would have tried to wait for it to trade over the range and then pull back, this would have been a no enter. And then this Nvidia trade was just like ridiculous. So far from VWAP. Not a good trade. Yeah, you're right, HH. Appreciate you for saying that, man. It is significant. Dell making its way back to VWAP, huh? But see, this is what I was talking about yesterday, HH. About trying to take the backside of the move. Hoping for a move back up. You know? That's the move has been made for the day, for real. We getting in now hoping for what? Yeah, I ain't messing with it. Man, nice trade on FSLR. That thing tightrope my stop. Took exactly 4R out of that piece. Joe, I'm glad you told me to move my stop up too, man, because I was definitely being risky. Ain't no point in risking that much. Keep the game safe, especially with these two reckless joints right here. So PDD was actually a great trade too. This was the 84% rule for those guys that know about Jared, where you took a decent trade and it just stopped you out and then popped right back up. Jump back in, man. Jump back in. Did the dang on thing. Yes, sir. So those was my two good trades. Less risk, less stress for sure. I do think I'm gonna hold it. I'm definitely gonna trade $5 till the end of May, just to kind of solidify some good mental habits. Why did I take that Nvidia trade, man? That's all I be wanting, is to not have regrets. I didn't even feel that bad about GE. I definitely could have taken that right there, though. But, I mean, given the move up, you would expect a better pullback than that, for real. Kind of just consolidated a little bit. But it moved right back over resistance. So, I don't know. Yeah, it looks like they both trying to get back to VWAP. HH. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't take that. Try to get in back here again. That would have been dumb. Broke my 11 o'clock rule. Got in this thing at 11:02. Supposed to be a 10:30 rule. Messing up, man. Of course, Nvidia's got all the eyes on it, man. But now it's already traded through. Like, this is an inside day, man. Dell is over the top, man. So I would actually prefer Dell, because you're not trading against yesterday's price action. You're over the top of yesterday's price action. And even where it's at now, look at all this, most of the volume, you're above that too. So you're just dealing with these shorts right here and these sellers. If you get above these guys again, just above 165. I think this thing could get some wheels on it, man. What made me start streaming in YouTube? I thought it would be fun. I thought it would be, I thought it would help me be more accountable. You know what I mean? Trading in front of people, even though I still break rules all the time. But the biggest thing is committing to doing a review video every day of my trades. And that's been like the biggest benefit, aside from meeting all you guys and the ideas and input I've gotten from all you guys. But the process of every day, not just journaling, but talking and thinking out loud about my thought processes and my decisions, and seeing myself and talking out loud about myself making the same mistakes every day, that's been a really big help. So that's definitely the accountability side. And you got to get in. You taking Dale? I ain't mad at you, bro. I ain't mad at you. And then I've always had like a teacher side of me. I've always, whenever I've gotten good at something, I've always enjoyed teaching it. And I'm not, even though I'm not really trying to teach, I think I'd like to share my experience and just allow people to see what trading actually looks like. Because to me, like watching a lot of other people trade, either they only show you the good trades or they don't show you trading at all without paying for, you know, really expensive chat rooms and things like that. And you know, I just wanted to show people what trading really is, and I think a lot of people can relate to the struggling aspect of it too. So I just thought it would be cool. But I don't see myself doing like a course or anything like that. I really don't want to create a business around trading. I want trading to be the business. Like, I really am passionate about being a trader. So I don't want to have like a paid for chat room and charging people subscription. Not to say I'll never do it. I don't know. Who knows? But I really want to make the real money. To me, if you really know how to trade, that's where the money's at, you know? I mean, I guess, I don't know. People make millions of dollars charging people for classes and all that stuff. But I'm far from that anyway. I'm still just figuring this out myself. But, yeah, I just thought it would be a good time. Start a trading community. And you know, it's been great. It's been great, man. It's been a lot of fun meeting all you guys and chatting with you guys. Trading is lonely, man. When you're sitting here by yourself, just you against the charts. You know, I got you guys bringing stocks that I wasn't looking at. The stock guy, okay, I haven't heard of him. I get a lot of ideas. I remember Signature came in with Cake. What's Cake doing these days? Made some good money on Cake. Wow, what a pullback. That thing really came back down on the daily, man. Yeah, we was all over Cake on these couple days right here. Hey, I appreciate you, JK. Appreciate it, man. But yeah, man, it's been, I mean, go back and look at my videos, man. It's been I've had some cool days. I got a couple days making over $300. And then I got some days where I lost $300, you know. And I've definitely had my ups and downs, and it's been more down this last few weeks. So that's why I stepped my risk back down to $5. And, you know, just rebuilding right now. And, hey, man, got a green week, 5 days in a row, green. That's like a huge deal. Even a couple of the days was like $2 green. But you know, that could be $20 or $200, you know, green, depending on what your R level is. And not only that, but the $2 seems insignificant, but if you look at the flip side, how many times I've lost, like been deep in the red. So even having a break even day is a win. You know, it's a day that you didn't lose money, which is hard to do day trading. So yeah, it's been a really solid week, man. Bruh, you throw 4R out the window day after day, man. You start thinking like, bruh, what am I doing? Like, do I even know what I'm doing here? Like, yeah, that's it, bro. The accuracy, man. Yep, for sure. For sure. Just good trades, man. One good trade. Dell is a bull flag. Boy, you all over Dell. Are you in Dell now? Or were you waiting for the 164 break? You sound like you in Dell. You looking for all these confirmations now. That's like me, bro. I start breaking out my calculator and drawing trend lines once I get into a position, looking for hope. She's definitely downtrending. Oops. Oh, word. Let me check you out. Richard over here getting to the bag. Nice. Where'd you get in at, bro? Tell me about it. Bruh, this Nvidia trade was so unnecessary, man. Yeah. That's part of the game. Wow, look at FSLR over 276 now. Yeah, I hear you. I hear you there, HH. I'll be looking for that ending volume to come in, HH. You see a nice little volume spike. Man, you could have held FSLR all day. I'm happy though. What were we looking at, Dale? Man, a green week, y'all. It was so bad. Man, I haven't been exporting my stuff to TradeZilla. I gotta export my stuff this weekend. Okay, is this what's this low? 3306, 6301. I mean, yeah, it's a lower low right here too, bro. That thing, yeah, I'll be looking more for 162 HH. Buru. Nah, I got a green screen. Yeah, I'm sitting right in front of a green screen and casting myself on top of the charts. Oh man, Richard. But you said you got in 1479 and sold 1640. Yo, that's a nice move up there, sir. And you weren't greedy at all. Yeah, man. Well done, man. Richard getting to the bag, man. uh, Yesterday was a bigger loss, though. Man, that's one thing I'm been really happy with is like today, all my winners are bigger than my losers. And PDD actually was a really big winner. Actually, I think it was over 3R. Let's see. 161.68 to 163.89. $221 move on 10 shares. Yeah. So that's a 4R. Yeah. Yep, because I was down 5 on that. Maybe that was a 3R. No, I was down $7 on PDD on my first entry. Yeah, because I dragged my stop down on that one too. Yeah, I was thinking that 162 is probably where it's going to pull back to HH. I gotta see a higher high, higher low at this point. This little nice 15-minute candle right here, but it kept going lower. $162.82. 162.71 was yesterday's high. That's about where we're testing right here. If this thing make a higher high above 163.82, I'll be looking at that higher low. You know, I could have used the trend line to probably get out of NVIDIA a little bit sooner. I wish I would draw these a little more often. I just forget about them. Maybe not that much sooner. High was 163.49. Top of this 5 minute, 163.49. Had a little volume spike in there. Yeah, I don't know, man. This joker look like it's still downtrending. Look at it. Long leg down, short leg up. Long leg down, short leg up. 4 down, 2 up. know, man. Playing with fire there, HH. Yeah, I expect that thing to come on down to VWAP from there. Bruh, GE went crazy. I can't believe I lost money on this thing. How, Sway? How?
That the feds know what you're doing. Relationship with Justin Bieber.
Whoa. 14 likes, man. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you guys for hitting the like. What's this low? 62.82. Yeah, that joke is still downtrending, man. It is a legitimate. The highs are getting smaller and smaller, though. I'd say a reversal is pretty imminent. If this 15-minute candle closes up green, I would definitely say it's probably a decent trade. I would still probably want to tuck my stop under VWAP though. Under 162, like you said. On a good starter position. Yeah, 15-minute, 5-minute, and the 2-minute candles are closing. Imminent like next week. All right, HH, you might be ready now. Might be ready now. Over 59. I mean, over 50. 163.50. I'll tell you what, I'm going to risk my 82 cent. My 85 cent. One share. Unless it makes a lower low. And it's lunchtime. And it's Friday. And we got a long weekend. I don't know, dog. Time of sales speeding up. Right. Yeah, as soon as it makes a lower low, I'm canceling my little one share order. double topped at 49. Yeah, I'm waiting for the break too, bro. I'm waiting for the break too. $162.97. Nope, that's a wrap for me. Cancel my little order. It's still downtrending, bro. Still downtrending. That thing going to VWAP. Or it may hold yesterday's high at 71. Uh-oh. Yeah, we'll put my little one share back. Got 2,000 shares at 44. This came through. 500 at 44. Touched 50. There's the break. All right, HH. $45 shares. I got one. Man, I got 55. You did a limit order? I don't know, HH. I sent you an email about Richard wanting to do a another video call. I don't know if you saw that or not. Let's see. $70. Added another 49. Oh, you added 4 shares. I was thinking of taking the break too. I'm gonna see what a pullback looks like. 163.50. Man, that's nice, bro. Better entry than me. Say, hold on, Richard. Get to the bag. Oh, what did I just do? Bro, when I made my first trade on IBIO, I was at work the next day watching my position, my 33-cent entry, watching that thing go up. Bro, I wasn't doing any work. I was literally standing holding my phone. And every 10, 15 cent that thing went up, I was just like, bro, I'm done here. 1,500 shares moving up $1.50, bro. I was done. Look at it go. HH over here getting to the bag on the live stream with me. Okay, killer. My risk is 85 cents. I should have wished the risk $1.85. I'm gonna add another share on a dip if we get one. Hard stop at 163.50. Break even on them. Well done, sir. I would say first target should be 165.50, honestly. If not 165, probably 165 would be a good first target. But I only got one share, so. You taking profit already? My risk is 0. I don't know. I could definitely see a retest, though, of 163.50 area before making the rest of its move. Yeah, I was looking at that too. That's why I was like, you did good not being greedy, bro. Cause you know, you took your money. 10% is great. It's always gonna be something on the table. Rarely do we get the very bottom and the very top, you know. Taking profit is a whole nother science, a whole another chapter of difficulties and emotional wavering, bro. Like I go back and forth every day of taking everything out at 3R or holding for 4R or taking a partial at 3R, taking a partial at 4R, and then when I take a partial and it comes back down to break even, I'm so mad. Nah. Now you do gotta follow your plan, Richard. All right. Now I'm at 2 shares. Um, $1.08. What? 92 cents. 163. Oh man. Okay. I like to wait to move my stops under my first trail is $1.64 profit. Nice. Okay. Okay. I like that. I like that take profit strategy. I've considered doing that too, splitting up my stop orders. It looked like Dell is, Nvidia might be getting ready to make a run. Higher low retest to VWAP. That would be helpful. Okay. Oh, okay, I got you. There goes Nvidia. Come on, Dale. I bet that looks great on the 15 on NVIDIA. Yep. And the 5. Look at that. That's a good spot to buy right there, man. Now that's a good spot to buy. They're looking sus. SPY moving up, NVIDIA moving up. Get your boy HH. He lagging. Yeah, buddy. $170.50. I'll be excited to see 165. Yeah, that's a big move there, buddy. On 49 shares. That's quite a bit. Yeah, I'm saying. Golly, it's moving slow. I'm supposed to be out of here. Lay it on them, HH. 2016. That's experience right there, man. Yep. 64.16. Richard over there like all right, Joe Dub. Yes, sir. See you Tuesday, man. Hey, I know that's right. All right. As soon as this candle gets a new high, I'm moving my stop right up under there. Come on, let's see some prints. All right, stop up to 163.89. Is that a new higher high? Yes, it is. Bro, it's definitely journal times 100, man. It's I've definitely been growing a lot, man. Definitely been growing a lot, talking to you guys, talking over my trades. It's been nice, man. It's been a great experience. Come on, let's keep it going. Nvidia's still moving up. The SPY's moving up. We got nothing holding us back. Yeah, I'm kind of punking out on the risk here, HH. It's a reckless trade outside of my my window. Excuse me. But I mean, it's a good setup. It's not like I'm just trading a bad setup, but I just don't want it to something about these trades, it's like it's kind of bad for my my TradeZilla journal. I need to be able to put like a star next to these kind of trades. Man, FSLR topped out, looked like it 278. 278.80. Very nice move up. I think I caught a nice piece of the pie though. I think I did. Yeah, I feel you, HH. I'll be all over the place with mine. It still doesn't look bad at all. We still got a higher high here. Higher high, higher low, higher high. It's just taking a long time. Yeah. Well, I wouldn't mind pulling another $5 off of this thing. Cover up this Nvidia blunder. Uh-oh. Ooh. That's how I feel, bro. I'm ready for lunch. Well, little 20% loss, 20-cent loss on that, just for fun. I think you're good keeping your stop at 163.50 for sure while it wobbles around, because you got a nice setup on the. Well, I don't know. It's been alternating colors on the 15. That ain't really what I like to see. And on the 5 too. It's kind of a sketchy moving stock. But yeah. Just wanted to play that one with you, HH, but I I'm not losing no money on my nice good end of my weekday. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna get out of here and have me some lunch. Thanks for hanging out with me, man. It's been an awesome week, a green week, green every day. So got a long weekend to think about everything, and look out for the review video. Hit that like button for me, hit that subscribe, and y'all have a great weekend.